And here we are, folks. Wanted to present to you the final finished landscape. This is the renovation we've been doing the last couple of weeks, and it's a mostly native garden with a pollinator waterfall. We're at the Storm Manufacturing Group, the makers of these great Superior valves for commercial use. So check out this waterfall as you walk to the front door. This is what you're greeted with. So it's really cool that Superior has made the commitment to the planet by having a pollinator fountain with, those are all native plants over there, and across the way, the parking lot, all natives. Fabulous landscape. So we're really happy to say that we have got this done. Took us a couple weeks, but here we are. So there's busy Normandy Avenue out there, but you kind of forget about it when you look at the pondless waterfall along with the native plants. What you see here, we'll do another YouTube video next year when all this is filled in. It's mostly bark now, but this whole thing will be filled with plants. A lot of drama, a lot of detail. There's a toyon over there. If you want to hear the sound of birds, don't buy a cage. Plant a toyon. It's #1 plant to attract birds. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.